Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by defining exactly how you will use the track: commercial, social, or background. Once decided, head straight to reputable libraries and apply filters for CC0, CC BY, public domain, or explicit royalty-free licenses. Make sure to save the track name and a screenshot or timestamped record of the license page before downloading. This step prevents confusion later. You want provable evidence of permission and the correct license type before you now read the actual license text line by line so you know whether attribution, modifications, or commercial use are allowed. Once satisfied, download the highest quality audio and convert it to the format your project needs. Make sure sample rates and codecs match to avoid glitches. Then embed clear metadata into the file: song title, creator, license type, and source URL, so the permission travels with the asset. If you plan to modify the track, note whether the license permits derivatives. You finish by placing the song in your project and adding the exact attribution the license requires, whether in video credits, description fields, or program notes. Then archive the evidence. Save the original license page, download receipts, and a dated screenshot of the file in your project. Store these in a safe folder so you can respond to disputes quickly. If someone challenges the use, present the archived proof and contact the platform or creator. Escalate only if you have clear license documentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.